Welcome back, Evergreen traders and investors. This is our EquiTalks series, and we are already on our EquiTalks episode number 103. Again, my name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. Today is February 12, 2020, Wednesday, and in this episode, I will be talking about my analysis and I'll be giving you my recommendations for APC Group with a stock code of APC. By the end of this episode or this discussion, this question will be answered. And what's the question? Here it goes. Should you buy APC because it's already above its 10-day simple moving average? I will tell you the answer, but first things first, I'll have to give you the details behind the recommendation. And by the way, my technical analysis is based on my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. It's my proprietary methodology that I use whenever I do short-term trading or long-term investing. And yes, that's right, it works in a short-term trading and long-term investing regardless if it's a bearish or a bullish market. And if you'd like to know more about the 6 lessons that you will learn from me through this online stock market course, please visit equilyst.com and then click the course menu or page on our website. All right? Now, and let's talk about the daily chart. Let's talk about my technical analysis for APC. So as of Wednesday, February 12, 2020, APC closed at 0.40. The support that I'm seeing is pegged near 0.34. Resistance is at 0.46. Foreign investors did not register any net foreign for today, but for year to date, they are net sellers. They are net sellers year to date, but it's not something that we should be bothered about because investors' participation is not that significant, relatively speaking, as always. The 10 SMACD, the 10 SMACD combo of APC is bearish. Why? Because MACD is still trading below the signal line, even if the last price is already trading above the 10-day SMA. So what is this 10 SMACD? Well, that's one of the many things that you will learn in my online stock market course. So check it out. Visit that page that I mentioned during the introduction to learn more about it. And since the 10 SMACD combo is already bearish, that already means that there is no buy signal confirmation for APC yet as of today's closing. This is subject to change as our data change as well. Yes, of course. The risk level of APC is still on a low risk level because it still has a historical volatility score of 46.36%. I'm sure you'd like to ask why of all the indicators did I choose historical volatility to identify the risk level of a stock? And why is it important to know or to mention the risk level of a stock? Those two questions and more have already been answered in the online stock market course. It's just that I can't discuss those things right now in this EquiTalks episode. Otherwise, what's supposed to be a 9-minute video will become a 9-hour video. It will turn out to be the online stock market course itself if I'm going to do that. But anyhow, let's continue the discussion. So for today, February 12, the total turnover value only reached 181,250 pesos. It's a relatively small TTV or total turnover value. The local traders, what do you expect? They were the main drivers for today. That goes without saying because I already mentioned a while back that foreign investors did not register a foreign activity on APC for today. Now, On my trade and volume distribution analysis, I see here that the volume weighted average price of APC is at 0.39. Okay? Now, if you are hoping to get a bullish momentum power indicator, the VWAP should always be less than or lower than the last price. Okay? Which is the case in this analysis. The dominant range is between 0.39 to 0.4. This is the unlucky thing about it. That dominant range is already closer. It's closer to the intraday low than the intraday high, as you can see on this trade and volume distribution chart that I have. Yes? So that makes a bearish momentum power indicator as well. Well, hear this one. Even if, let's say, the momentum power indicator becomes bullish, for just as an example, there will still be no buy signal confirmation for APC because the 10 MACD is still bearish. What does that mean? For here at Equilyst Analytics, for us to have to get or to see or to get a confirmation that there is a buy signal confirmation for any stock, its 10 MACD and its momentum power indicator must be bullish, the two of them, not just either of the two. Okay, is that clear? Now, this bearish true market sentiment that you are seeing right now it seems to be a confirmation that there is really no buy signal confirmation. Okay, it seconds the motion uh, for the lack of a buy signal confirmation. So this is what you've been waiting for, the recommendations part. Okay, if you still have APC and under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I would recommend that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Why? Because there are two dominant probabilities right now based on my analysis. And what are those two dominant probabilities? First, APC might just continue to move sideways between 0.34 to 0.46. Number two, it might retest the support at 0.34. So, don't average down. It's a waste of buying power. And remember, you need to have a trailing stop. Otherwise, it's like you went to a battle without weapons. As clear as it is, that's what it looks like if you are trading without a trailing stop. So those are the two probabilities. So in with that, I would recommend again to reduce your percentage of risk, all right? And don't average down. But again and again, that is under the assumption that your trailing stop is intact. It's a totally different discussion if you are telling me that you don't know what the trailing stop is, why you should use it, how to calculate it. It's a different discussion. But those things and more were already answered in my online stock market course. So visit equilyst.com and then click the course page on the website to know more about it. Okay? Now, is it okay to do a test buy to enter on a new position if you don't have APC? The answer is a no. Why? Well, I already mentioned the answer. The 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator are not yet both bullish in the case of APC as of market closing on February 12th. Okay? So, the good thing about this is that if you are one of our subscribers in our stock market subscription service, you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for this stock or for simply any stock listed under in the Philippine Stock Exchange. In our private clients forum, that's where you can post your question, your request. All right? And how do you subscribe? And what's included when you subscribe? There are 6 inclusions Okay, there are 6 inclusions. I would just recommend that you visit equilyst.com and then click subscribe on the homepage. And then you will see you will see 6 orange click here to read the details buttons for each of for those 6 inclusions. I would really recommend that you read the details from the very first word to the very last punctuation mark so that you clearly understand and know what you are subscribing into. Okay? So just a quick rundown. The 6 inclusions are this. Number 1, we will send you a daily video with 10 trade ideas for 10 different stocks. That's daily, excluding holidays and weekends, of course. Number 2, you will get an access to our investment guide for long-term investing. We monitor the 30 blue chip companies and then we tell you if we are already seeing a buy signal confirmation. If there is, we will tell you the dominant range where it is best for you to top up or to enter on a new position. Number 3, you can ask unlimited questions in our private clients forum. Number 4, you can post your analysis, of course, based on our online stock market course, in the study room, which is also in the private clients forum. And then I will personally check, give you a score, give you recommendations on how to make your analysis better. Better analysis means better execution. Hopefully, you have the discipline to follow it. Now, that's number 4. And number 5, if your analysis is really on point, if it's really that good, I am going to ask you if it's okay to publish it on our website. If you agree, we're going to publish it with your picture as the author, with your author's biography, and of course with your affiliate link. I know you'd like to share it on social media because it has your picture on it. Who doesn't, right? Now, when someone subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get a 20% commission. That is your eligibility to our Learn and Earn Affiliate Program, or LIP. And number 6, by subscribing to us, you will get a free online stockbrokers account from First Metro Securities. You will have to sign up for free. And also, you will get 2 months of free access to their First MetroSec Pro. It is the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today. So for more details about our stock market subscription service, visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on subscribe page or menu on top. Now, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to or invite you to sign up to our free newsletter while it's free, so that when we publish a new episode like this one, you will be notified through email. How do you do that? Visit equilyst.com, click resources, click learn, and then you will see that this orange button. Click on it, click it, sign up, and then check your inbox for the confirmation email. If it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. And then also on the description box down below, you will see our links to our social media accounts. Feel free to follow us on our social media accounts so that aside from that email, you will also be notified through your favorite social media network when we publish a new episode, a new EquiTalks episode. All right? So, again, thank you for listening or watching to our EquiTalks episode number 103. My name is JC De Guzman, and if you have some comments or questions, you can comment down below. Always remember, be evergreen.